In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the local currency to USD in your eBay search results. Whether you're shopping or just browsing, it's often helpful to see prices in a familiar currency like the United States dollar. It's a simple process that can make your online shopping experience much easier, and today I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's start by heading over to ebay.com. You can do this by typing the URL into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Now that you're on the home page, focus on the search bar, which is typically located at the top center of the page. Type in the item you want to search, such as pickleball paddle. This will bring up a list of search results showing various options available across the platform. Now, you might notice prices displayed in the local currency, which can be inconvenient if you're more accustomed to dealing in USD. This is where the settings come into play, and you can easily adjust these to suit your preference. On the search results page, look to the top left corner where you'll find an icon that looks like three horizontal lines, commonly referred to as the hamburger icon. Click on this icon to access more options. Once you've clicked on the hamburger icon, a menu will appear. Here, you want to look for the option labeled Customize. Clicking on this will take you to the customization settings for your eBay search page. Within these settings, you'll see various options that allow you to tailor the page according to your needs. One crucial setting that you'll want to locate is labeled Convert Prices to United States Dollar. Next to this label, there will be a checkbox. Simply click on the box to check it. This setting will automatically convert the displayed prices into USD, providing you with an at-a-glance understanding of how much items will cost in the currency you're familiar with. Finally, to ensure that these changes take effect, you need to click on Apply Changes. This button is usually found at the bottom of the customization window. Clicking Apply Changes will save your new settings, and the page will refresh to apply the currency conversion to your search results. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can view prices in USD whenever you search for items on eBay. Whether you're buying or just browsing, understanding the cost in a familiar currency can make your shopping smoother and more satisfying. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your future eBay experiences. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.